To fix your washing machine smell like burning rubber, follow these steps. First, identify the source of the smell, which is often caused by a buildup of debris, detergent residue, or mold and mildew. Check the gasket and seals for any signs of wear or damage, as these can trap odors and moisture. Next, run a cleaning cycle with a washing machine cleaner or a cup of white vinegar to help remove any residue and odors. If your washing machine does not have a cleaning cycle, run a hot water cycle with the cleaner or vinegar. Leave the lid open after the cycle to let the interior dry. Regular maintenance is key to preventing future odors. Leave the lid open after use to dry the interior, and check the gasket and seals regularly for signs of wear. Run a cleaning cycle every 1 to 2 months to keep your washing machine fresh and odor-free. Additionally, using the correct detergent and avoiding overloading the washing machine can help prevent odors. High-efficiency detergents are designed to produce fewer suds, which can help reduce residue buildup. By following these steps and practicing regular maintenance, you can eliminate the burning rubber smell from your washing machine and keep it running efficiently and odor-free. It is also important to check and clean the drain pump filter regularly, as a clogged filter can cause odors and poor washing performance. Refer to your washing machine manual for instructions on how to access and clean the filter. By taking these steps, you can keep your washing machine in good working condition and prevent future odors.